Hola cocineros caseros, bienvenidos al Gregcipes. Hoy voy a hacer guacamole. Guacamole is an ancient Aztec dip or spread that has been adapted to the modern era to be universally appealing to anyone who likes things that taste good. And I'm going to show you how to make it. The first thing we're going to do is mash up some avocados. So I'm going to teach you how to open an avocado. So you want to cut right into the top until you hit the pit, and then just rotate it around the knife like that until you meet where you first cut, then twist it like that, and now you have the two halves. And then take out the pit, you just smack it with your knife, twist, and it pops right out. Then take this and then just scoop out the avocado. I'm gonna do one more. Traditionally, this is done in a mortar and pestle, but my mortar and pestle is really small, so I'm just going to do it in a bowl with a fork. Next, I'm going to dice up 1/2 of a small Roma tomato and mix that right in. The next thing I'm going to dice up is about 1/4 of a red onion. I think the more traditional onion is a white onion, but I think red onions taste better raw, so I'm using a red onion. The next thing we're going to do is remove the seeds from 1/2 of a jalapeno pepper, dice it up, and mix it right in. The next thing we're going to do is finely chop a little bit of cilantro and mix that right in too. Now I'm going to add the juice of 1/2 of a lime. The last thing I need to do is season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. The guacamole I just made probably isn't entirely traditional, but the ingredients are pretty interchangeable if you ask me. You can add stuff in, you can leave stuff out, you can change the proportions around to your liking. I think any way you do it, it's probably going to taste pretty good, so have fun with it. And there you have it, guacamole. As always, let's take a bite. You can just taste every single ingredient that we put in there. There's so many different textures and they all work really well together. And oh man, I really like guacamole. Well, I hope you make it for yourself and enjoy. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe for a new Gregcipes every Tuesday. Hola, hola cocinero, cocinero. Tongue twister. Wait, what was it again? Cocineros caseros. Hola cocineros caseros. Hola cocineros caseros. Caseros.
Guacamole or guacamole, sometimes informally referred to as guac.
Talk to me, Marita. Talk to me.